In this part of Sweden it's cold. Now you can see it's -16, but it's been down at nearly -30. It's also windy. And snowing. So you see, it's quite hard for the birds to find food sometimes, so they often come and feed off the food that we give them. I don't know what sort of bird this is. It's about the size of a blackbird. It looks like a woodpecker. It behaves like a woodpecker, but I can't find it in the book. On the other hand, these next birds are very common in Sweden and Britain. You see how fat balls and fat is hung off a small fir tree, Christmas tree, set up in the garden. The birds like something to perch on while they feed. Sometimes they spend as much time defending the food from other birds as they do actually eating it. And all that swaying around in the back is the wind blasting the tree. And here you can see the snow blowing past. Well, that's it for today. Bye.